Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in an era of plastic overkill where avoiding plastic has become next to impossible. Now think about all the plastic items you use every day. Can you count them all? Look around you. How many plastic things can you see? And where do you think it will end up later? Our oceans are probably the biggest victims of plastic pollution, as that is where most of the plastic waste finally ends up and torture marine life forever. So, on today's occasion, I'd like to show you why it's critical to reduce your single-use plastic consumption and lessen its impact on the marine environments. I will first tell you some of the problems that occur due to single-use plastic in the marine environment. Then I will discuss some solutions to reduce single-use plastic consumption that we can apply, and finally I will summarize some of the benefits of reducing these single-use plastic products. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start by discussing the problem. Single-use plastic items like drink bottles, cigarette butts, cotton bud stick, crisp packet, sweet wrappers, sanitary application, plastic bags, cutlery, straws, stirrers, drink cups, cup lids, balloons, balloon stick, and food containers, including fast food packaging, are the biggest single group of waste found on our seashores, which can take 20 to 500 years to break down into small fragments or known as microplastic. The smaller the pieces of plastic get, the more dangerous they are to the marine organism. When plastic ingestion occurs, it blocks the digestive tracts, get lodged in animal windpipes, cutting airflows, causing suffocation, or fill the stomach, resulting in malnutrition, starvation, and potentially death. Indeed, it is found that plastic often accumulates in the animal guts and gives a false sense of fullness, causing the animal to stop eating and slowly starve to death. From the whale, turtles, and birds to the microscopic organism called zooplankton, plastic has been and is greatly affecting marine life, whether by ingestion or entanglement, because of their similarity to their own food. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have seen why single-use plastic become the main problem and why we need to prevent more plastic from getting into our ocean. So, here are the worst single-use plastic and some eco-friendly alternative you can swap them for. Plastic straws alternative can be bamboo, glass, stainless steel, paper, edible straw, acrylic, silicone, compostable plant-based straws, or best of all, when possible, choose to go straw-free. Plastic drink stirrer alternatives: reusable glass, bamboo stirrer, and spoon. Plastic cotton buds alternatives are food ear washes, bamboo cotton buds, organic cotton makeup pads, or reusable silicone swab. Coffee cup and lids alternatives are reusable cups, glass, or mugs. Plastic cutlery-free alternatives are reusable bamboo or wood utensil and a travel cutlery set. Plastic cups-free alternatives are reusable cup or a mason jar. Plastic containers-free alternatives are glass containers, stainless steel lunch boxes, and compostable plant-based container. Plastic plates-free alternatives are banana leaf, palm leaf, and bamboo pulp plate. Ladies and gentlemen, now you are aware of the solution. So let's discuss the benefit. The benefits of reducing single-use plastic consumption may include lessen plastic pollution problems affecting our beach, coasts, oceans, seafloors, inland, waterways, and lands, preventing pollution by lessening the amount of new material use, save energy, reduces greenhouse gas emission, which contribute towards climate change, reduces the amount of waste that needs to be recycled, save money since reusable items work out cheaper than constantly purchasing more plastic. So, this concludes the focus of my speech today. To summarize, single-use plastic items are the biggest single group of waste found on our beach, coast, ocean, seafloors, inland waterways, and lands that tortures marine life, whether by ingestion or entanglement, because of their similarity to their own food. Being more aware of how and why we use single-use plastic, then swap them for some more eco-friendly alternative is the first step to reducing plastic use and lessen its impact to the marine environment. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.